So as we looked into the future of enterprise with Genpact, we found some really exciting stuff. We identified 3 macro trends. The third macro trend is whole system planning, and the ability for an enterprise to understand the entire system that it operates within and the direct and indirect consequences that it has on society and the environment.
We're going to really start to see people look to companies to play a very civic role in society, to champion collaboration, to start thinking about collaboration versus competition, for example.
We'll start to see companies sharing data even with their competitors, which is really what is needed in the pharmaceutical industry so that we maximize the benefit to patients and get the best outcomes.
Different organizations of the entire life sciences ecosystem have been using that data to whatever insight they can deliver. But as you look at the continuum of care, as you look at the outcomes, then the need for a greater collaboration across the entire ecosystem becomes far more pronounced.
Health economic pressures are causing both government and commercial payers to adopt a whole system approach to planning. And you see that in the measures that they use to track the clinical and health economic performance of providers and manufacturers, as well as the associated incentives that they're providing in terms of the pricing of the drugs and devices or the reimbursement that they're paying to hospitals and doctors for their professional services.
Companies will become networks of innovation. A lot more osmosis will happen, including with regulators, other partners, to drive patient-centric value.
Enterprise will become smarter and become more instinctive because it understands there is a bigger system that it's playing in. As enterprises move into the future, they're going to have to start preparing and propelling themselves in a different way. The importance of connecting data within an ecosystem, the importance of foreseeing and predicting what's going to happen beyond these macro trends, and ultimately adapt their workforce towards that future horizon.